Good morning, candidates. SBI Clerks Prelims 2021 Reasoning. This video I will give you a puzzle. Direction 66 to 70. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. There are 8 employees of a company and all of them are working on 8 different designations of a bank, namely chairman, CFO, GM, DGM, AGM, manager, junior manager, and clerk. All the designations given are to be considered in a given order, as chairman is considered as senior most and clerk is considered as the junior most. That is, the order should be in the same way: chairman, CFO, GM, the last one is clerk. Only two persons are senior to B. One designation lies between B and G. The number of persons junior to G is same as the number of persons senior to C. H is just senior to E but junior to C. More than 4 designations lie between H and F. D is junior to A. These are the things given. Now what you should do, you must try to put the designations. For example, designation, if you put like this, it will come out like this: chairman, CFO, GM. First write like this, keep it with you. Then what will happen? What is the point we are getting? Only 2 persons are senior to B. Only 2 persons are senior to B. That means B has to come here. B has to come here. He is the GM. The next point given is that one designation lies between B and G. One designation lies between B and G. It can be here or it can be here. But we can try that also. For example, we can have, we can put one more outside. Outside it is not coming. Can I have? Yeah, I will write one more here, which is another one for the sake of B. So now here it is given G can be, there is one designation between B and G. I will put one here. I will put one here also. Okay. Then what happens? Then what happens? The number of persons junior to G is the same as the number of persons senior to C. So this is the point. So on this count, this cannot come out correctly. This is not correct. This is wrong. This area also, it cannot come. G cannot come there. G cannot come here. G has to come here only. Here it is stated number of people above him are similar to number of people. What is this given? The number of people, number of persons junior to G is same as the number of persons senior to C. So this is a clue for us. Number of persons junior to C, how many? 3. Three are junior. So for C, there should be 3 senior. So C has to come here. C has to come here. Okay. Next one. H is just senior to E. H is senior only to E. That means H will come here and E will come here. And then, but junior to C. H is junior to C. Okay, no problem. But more than 4 designations lie between H and F. More than 4 designations lie between H and F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, H and F. So I can put F here. Okay. Another one. D is junior to A. D is junior. Only 2 people are remaining. So D has to come here. A has to come here. A has to come here. That's all. So this is the order in which it will come, and this is how it is. Then when we go through the questions, we can easily answer. How many persons are junior to H? How many persons are junior to H? Only one person. That is, answer is B. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way, and hence they form a group. Which one does not follow the group? Think this G. GA is what is, because there is a lot of gap. Lot of gap. Either there is one gap or no gap, but here it is 2 gaps. So that is the answer. Answer is D. How many designations are between A and D? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 designations. More than 3 is the answer. 68 more than 3. Who among the following is just senior to B? Who among the following is just senior to B? It is not D, it is not C, it is not E. It is only A. Answer is A. Who among the following is AGM? AGM is G. That is, answer is C. So answers are coming like this. 66 Bombay, 67 Delhi, 68 Calcutta, 69 A, 70 C. I hope you understood this. Thank you.